In front of me is a NOKIA 6.1, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset in order to get rid of the screen lock. So as you can see, there is already a lock on this device and I would not be able to get into it as long as I don't know the code, but I can simply remove it through the hard reset. And to begin, all you want to do is just hold power key and then select power off. Now once that is shutting down, make sure you have a cable, the one that I use for charging usually. I have one right here and I have it plugged into my computer, which is the one right here that you can see in the background. So once you have that ready, you can plug it into the phone and wait for the battery charging screen to show up. Yeah. So once you see this, we can now start holding power key and volume up, both keys together. So as you can see, power and volume up. Yeah. So now as you can see, there is a Android with no command. So what you want to do is, while holding power key, tap volume up once. So holding power key and volume up once. As you can see, now we're in the recovery mode. I'm just gonna unplug it because I don't need that anymore. I can place the phone upright. And from here, you want to use volume up and down to navigate, like so, as you can see. And with that in mind, select wipe data factory reset and confirm the selection with the power key. And once more, select yes and power key to confirm it. And get a message wiping data on the bottom. Data wipe complete, and you're back in the recovery mode. And from here, reboot system now should be automatically selected. And if that is so, just confirm it once more with the power key and let the device reboot. And mind you, now the phone will be turning back on, but will take significantly longer than it does normally, considering the fact that it's continuing to do the process in the background at the moment. So just be patient. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device. I'm gonna go to the setup fairly quickly. Just to show you that the device is not locked. And as you can see, now the lock screen is completely gone and you're free to unlock your device and use it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.